Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to remove unused toolbar in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website macnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the FreeCAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. And we can execute the macros from the script here, or we can add these macros as a toolbar, but most of the macros which are outdated does not work. So in this case it is better to remove those obsolete macros, because if we go to the add-on manager, if we install any macros, so many macros or workbenches which are developed by the independent developer, we can see here the email IDs. So most of the macros works and most of the macros does not work. So it is better to remove the unused macros from FreeCAD so that it will not slow down the performance of your FreeCAD. So for example, here I have installed a macro called array copy, and if I select the body and click on the array copy, so in a report view I am seeing the error. So for copying we have multiple options in FreeCAD. Like in a draft workbench, we can create a pattern of the body. So if you have installed any such macro which is not working, so how to remove that macro? So first go to the macros, and here is my macro array copy, and delete it, say yes. But if you see here, it is still activated here. So what we will do, we will click here and click on the customize and switch to the part design. I will select here the part design, and from the tab I will switch to the macro, and here is the macro array copy. Select it and say removed and close it, but still it has not removed. So we will restart our FreeCAD and we will see. So after the restart of a FreeCAD, that array copy macros icon has been removed. So this is how you can remove the unused micro toolbars in a FreeCAD, so that you keep your user interface of a FreeCAD neat and clean. So this is a very small tutorials for a beginner user.